GoPro has launched the Hero9 Black, which is its brand new action camera for 2020. Now, this new model brings with it new features such as a higher resolution sensor, finally, a larger battery, and lots of other little improvements. Hi, I'm Royden, and you're watching Gadgets 360, and this is our first look at the brand new GoPro Hero9 Black. Now, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon so you're the first to know whenever we have a new video. GoPro is launching just the Hero9 Black this year, which takes top place in its portfolio. The Hero8 Black will continue to exist at a lower price, followed by the Hero7 Black as the entry-level model. And then you have the Max, which is GoPro's 360-degree camera from last year. Now, physically, the GoPro Hero9 Black is heavier and larger compared to the Hero8 Black. Now, there are some other obvious differences too, which we'll get into in a bit. But there are a lot of similarities too. The Hero9 Black has the same built-in mounting brackets which can be folded flush with the body when not in use. There's a power button on the right side and the record button on the top. You also get a total of 3 microphones and 2 LEDs. Under this little flap, we have the battery compartment, microSD card slot and the USB Type-C charging port. Now, the Hero9 Black is also waterproof by up to 10 meters and features a familiar rugged body. One of the big additions is the new sensor. The Hero9 Black has a higher resolution 23.6 megapixel sensor compared to the 12 megapixel sensor used in the previous models. With it, it can now capture up to 5K resolution video at 30 FPS and 20 megapixel still images. The rear touchscreen display is also a bit larger and there's a new color front-facing display. This can be used as a monitor for framing your shot, a status display, or you can simply turn it off. The lens cover is once again removable on the Hero9 Black. Now you can swap this out for another cover in case your current one is damaged, or you can replace it with the new Max Lens mod. Now this accessory is said to offer a wider field of view and also lets you use the Max Hyper Smooth Stabilization setting in the camera. Finally, the Hero9 Black also has a larger 1720 mAh battery compared to the 1220 mAh battery in previous models. GoPro claims that this should offer up to 30% better battery life on average across shooting modes compared to the Hero8 Black. The main new software feature is GoPro's Hyper Smooth 3.0. Now it's set to offer improved stabilization and now lets you even use boost mode for any resolution, including 4K 60 and above, which wasn't possible on the Hero8 Black. The new version of Time Warp now lets you dial back the hyperlapse to either real-time with audio or half speed for a slow motion effect with just a tap. The GoPro Hero9 Black can now also perform horizon leveling within the camera instead of relying on the GoPro app, and this works across resolutions including 5K. Hindsight is a neat little feature which continuously buffers the last 15 or 30 seconds of footage before you press the record button. Schedule capture is another new feature, and as the name suggests, it lets you set a time for when the Hero9 Black should wake up and begin recording. Now, this sounds super useful, especially if you plan on shooting some time-lapse footage of the sunrise or sunset. You can also add a duration for the clip from 30 seconds all the way up to 3 hours, after which the camera will automatically turn off. So that was our quick first look at the brand new GoPro Hero9 Black. I will be testing this camera out over the next couple of weeks, so do stay tuned for the full review only on Gadgets 360.